What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, my name's Chris. We do Mustang things here, and today we're going to be showing my dad my 700 horsepower Coyote swap Mustang. So if you guys are new here, Gen 2 motor, an SN95 body, lightweight chassis, 2.3 liter supercharger, got the 82 millimeter pulley on it, running around 8 pounds of boost on E85, and it is a ton of fun, you guys. So this car is the fastest car I've been in. If I had to guess, it's 650 wheel horsepower. So I don't think my dad's been in a fast car like that. So today is gonna be a good one for all of us, man. So let's get to it, man. I'm excited. Let's see what this dude's doing.
FBI, open up!
We're just gonna pull up on him. What's up? You ready or what?
What?
Gonna pop your cherry today. The fastest car you ever been in.
That's Mike. Oh shit. Damn. It's just blowing a bunch of black smoke.
Black smoke?
Yeah, when you open it up, a bunch of black shit comes out. A bunch of it.
At the bottom?
Yeah.
It's probably my tires.
No, I'm black. Like carbon. Carbon fucking shit coming out of it. You got your seatbelt on.
I think I'm gonna run it through here.
Your seatbelt.
Run the seatbelt through there.
Your seatbelt belt's backwards.
You don't want messing with it? Alright, so what's the fastest car you've been in?
What the hell, boy?
That's the fastest car you've been in?
Yeah, I fucking had an LT1 in.
Nah, probably my Mustang on nitrous then. You thought that was fast back then, bro. That was probably 200 horsepower. So this is probably making 600, 650 right now on the 85. It'll just blaze in the tire the whole time. But look, just fourth gear. Just roll into it. That's fourth gear, bro. And this is the biggest pulley you can put on it. I cannot hit it at first. It literally, it'll spin out of control. About 125. It's creeping up there to 130 right now, but still, it still shouldn't pull timing until about 140. So it's still good. What do you think? You think it pull it down more? You think so? It's not like it. I don't know how to say it. You do a rip in first gear, it'll scare you. But like I'm already used to it. I'll let you drive it right now, but like right before I'm about to do a pull, it still makes me nervous. But it's crazy like how fast you get used to it. I'm already used to it. You can feel how much like how easy it goes into boost, right? Because it's a TVS blower, it's just like instantly. You give it a little bit more than half throttle, it goes into boost. If you want to, you can turn around. You can try to do some first gear shit.
I can ride it burning, but man, that was
Hey, I'm telling you right now, it's not gonna hook. I don't like doing this shit at first. You're probably gonna have to reverse. Yeah, you're good. Boom. All right. You ain't ready, bro. Just don't hit the red line. It's gonna fly up there. Oh! Why are you gonna blow my shit up?
fucking power.
Bro, you gonna blow my shit up? Oh.
Get that speed quick, man.
Yeah.
Now you'll be able to control it.
Dude, that 1-2 just spun the tire the whole time. How's that oil pressure looking? Yeah. Yeah, man. That's a TVS blower right there. Hot as hell outside, man. That 1-2 just blazed the tire. That's 8 PSI. I realistically think like 600 horsepower. So like we were just talking about, I could pull it down right now and go to 750, but it's not hooking like that. You know what I mean? We're on a 26-inch drag radial. We're not fully maxed out. I can still go to an ET Street Hawk. It's a lot of fun, man. What do you think?
Oh yeah. it's got 124 right now.
Yeah.
It keeps up to 140.
Yeah, 130 or 140. But I don't like to hit it unless it's below 120. Just let it cool down a little bit.
I'll give it to you right away.
Yeah.
I'm already throttling it. Well, why does it go down when you start going? It was at 109, 106, and it kicks back up.
Because whenever you're going, all the air is rushing in. You know what I mean? That's what you want.
It'll be different on automatic.
Yeah, bro. Whenever you hit it, bop, 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 it's gonna, oh, dude, it's gonna haul ass. I feel like the manual's more fun though.
Oh yeah, but you miss a gear, you're fucked.
Yeah, but it's fun just ripping through the gears. Like the auto
you
just.
fucking missed the motherfucker like that. Goddamn right up and shit.
Yeah. But dude, this is a stock, the same clutch that was in it. I'm surprised it's still holding. Still gripping pretty good, right? Yeah, guys. So today, like, we're literally gonna go put up the car right now. I just wanted to pull the car out. We'll have some fun with it. Put it up. You know, we don't beat on it all the time like this, but that's what the car is made for. It's what I built it for. A ton of fun, man. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop that thumbs up.
Why is it doing it? I gotta.
Yeah, it's steady, right?
You barely want to take off.
Yeah, it's because it's going in and out of boost. Look at the boost gauge. Right now, it's going in and out.
Wow, I've got it.
I know.
Set. They just fucking wanted to go.
I know. That's in 5th gear, bro. Like, instant. It's crazy. That's why I said, like, your white truck, if you wanted that pickup power, you put a TVS blower on it. You'll pass somebody quick. This is a bone stock F-150 motor, bro.
I can probably drop that. If I don't like it, I want to put something different on that car. I can probably put that blower in the truck, can't I?
Oh, yeah. For sure. That's what it came off. It came off at Gen 1. Still intact, boys. Gen 2 F-150 Coyote long block. 600 horsepower E85. Can't beat it, man. Cannot beat it. Coyote swapped the world, baby. Gotta love it, gotta love it. Gotta put the tailpipes back on the car, man. post-pull interview. What do you think?
Pretty fast. Got rid. You can't get it to stick, bro.
Yeah. So if you guys are new, 275 50s. Tires are hot, man. They got good tread on them still, and they still spin. So you excited or what?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, if you guys are wondering, this is his setup here. This is a Roush TVS intercooler, his throttle body, and his head unit's out getting painted right now. But yeah, we're gonna be some badass Coyote swap cars. And then whenever we're ready to party, this is the party pulley right here. 72 millimeter pulley, the new green belt. We can make another 150 horsepower.
What the fuck is that? Mexican bench press?
What's what?
Mexican bench press?
Yeah. All right, fellas, that's gonna go ahead and do it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, drop that thumbs up. Greatly appreciate it. Shout out Pops, man. He had a real good time. Almost tossed my motor, but it's all good. I had that Fox body waiting on me if he tossed that motor, but it's all good, man. See you guys on the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace out, man.